So today let's see that how you can get the official Snapchat AI, which is on trend nowadays. We will see that how you can get it on iPhone or Android, and even for some people Snapchat AI is not visible. So we will also discuss that how you can get Snapchat AI if it is not visible in your Snapchat conversation list. So this is your AI chatbot. You can ask any of the questions from it. It is almost like ChatGPT, if you know that, and you can save the chats with it. You can send the snaps to it, and you can use it for saving your snaps and many other purposes that you may already know. So for getting your AI option in your Snapchat, you have to just keep watching video till the end. It will be shown at the top of your conversations list. So now for getting it, you have to first of all open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to the search button and search here Snapchat and hit the search button. And after that, the Snapchat app will appear up, and you have to tap on that. And you have to check if there is any pending update of Snapchat. So if there is any pending update, you have to first of all update your Snapchat app. My Snapchat is already up to date, so I'm gonna skip this step. So after updating your Snapchat from your App Store or Play Store, you have to press the open button and your Snapchat app will be opened. And after that, we have to press this conversations button or inbox button here, and after updating, you will directly see my AI option on the top of your conversations list. And if you tap on its name, you can check all of its settings by tapping on these three dots. It has the same settings that you have in a normal conversation of a person. So you can check all the settings from here. Now, what if you are not seeing this My AI option on your Snapchat, even after updating your Snapchat app? For knowing so, there is a quick video tutorial in the end screen and in the description as well, and I will pin that video in the pinned comment as well. So you can go check out that video, that how you can get My AI option if it is not visible for you even after updating your Snapchat app. So see you there. If you have any other questions, let me know, and also tell me in the comments that which was your favorite thing that you have done with your Snapchat AI. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.